Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Student, today we are going to discuss about a chapter 15. Chapter name is Early Humans Hunter to Farmers. In this video, we solve exercise of this chapter. Okay student, firstly, you know some meaning of this chapter. First, hunters. Hunters means person that hunts wild animals. Hunter means person that hunts wild animals. Okay. Farmer. Farmer means grain grower. Farmer means grain grower. Early human roamed around in search of food and shelter. So roamed means revolve या good about. Search means find. Shelter means house. Student, some word meaning of this chapter here. Discovered. Discovered means found out something that no one knew before. Found out something that no one knew before. Search. Next word meaning invented, made something that had never been made before. Discovered is something difference of invention because difference means found out something, anything that no one knew before. Like as early humans discover a fire. We all did not know about a fire before the early humans. Early humans discovered the fire. Invention. We did not about a wheels, but early humans made the wheels firstly around 5,000 years ago. So invention means made something that had never been made before. Farming. Farming means growing crops. A farmer grows crops in his field. So farming means growing crops. Tame. Tame or teach an animals to be friendly with people and not to attack them. We tame only domestic animals, not tame wild animals, because wild animals is very dangerous. Early humans tamed some animals like dogs, goats, ox, and cows. These animals tamed by early humans. So, tame means to teach an animals to be friendly with people and not to attack them. Student, here are some word meaning of this chapter. So, learn all word meaning and write in your notebook. Come on the exercise of this topic. First question first. Mark the following sentence as true or false. First question type is true or false. First, early humans lived in houses. Student, question number first. Early humans lived in houses. True or false? False. Because early humans live in forest. Live in forest. They did not know about of houses. They took shelter on tree and in caves. Okay, so early man had no any houses. Question number 1 is false. Question number 2. Before the discovery of fire, early humans ate their food raw. True. Because early humans don't know about a fire. So they ate their food raw like as plants, fruit and nuts. They also ate their flesh raw. When they discover a fire, they learn to use fire to cook their food. So question number 2 is true. Question number 3. The first wheel was made around 500 years ago? No. Question number 3 is false because the first wheel was made around 5,000 years ago. 5,000 years ago, not 500 years ago. So, question number 3 is false. 4. Over time, early humans learned how to grow crops. Yes. Question number 4 is true. Early humans learned to grow crops. This is known as farming. Question number 5. Early humans tamed all kinds of animals. Question number 5 is false because early humans tamed some animals. Some animals were friendly, like as goats, dogs, cows and oxen. So, question number 5 is false. All kinds of animals means domestic animals and wild animals also. But early humans only tamed domestic animals like as goats, dogs, cows and oxen. So, question number 5 is false. Come on the question number 2. Question type is choose the correct answer. First, the discovery of fire helped early humans invented the wheels, tamed wild animals, cooked their food. Student, there are given 3 options. Which option is right? You choose. Option number C is right. Cook their foods. So, question number 1, C option is right. The discovery of fire helped early humans cook their food. Okay, student. Look at the question number 2. Early humans used logs to hunt animals, move heavy things, store water. Option number B is right. Early humans used logs to move heavy things. Question number 3. The first wheels were made from rubber, stone, wood. Option number C is right because first wheels were made from pieces of wood that could roll. This wheels is very roughly. The early humans made cart with wheels. So first wheels were made from woods. Okay. Question number 4. Early humans settled down when they made the first wheel, learned farming, learned how to tame animals. Question number B. Option number B is right because early humans needed water to grow for crops, so early humans began to live in small groups near river and lakes. So these places grew into the first village. Early humans settled down when they learned farming. So option number B is right. Student, come on the question number 3. Question type is one words for the following. First question. To find out something that no one knew about before. Your answer is discovery. Discovery means found out something that no one knew before. Example of early humans. Early humans, firstly, discovery of fire and discovery of wheels. We all did not know about a fire and wheels. So, discovery is a word that found out something that no one knew about before. Second, to make something that has never been made before. Invented. Your answer is invented. Invented means made something that had never been made before. To grow crops. Third, to grow crops, farming. Farmer means grain grower. So to grow crops means farming, agriculture. Question number 4. To teach an animals to be friendly with people means tame. Your answer is tame. We tame only domestic animals, not wild animal. So question number 4 is tame. Student, we solve all exercises of chapter number 15. You learn all exercises, then you write in your notebook. Okay student, bye student.